Hello everyone, welcome back to Rapid Travel. This is our Thai setup for today.
Mookata.
So this is a setup here. This is what you used for the Mu Kata.
Yeah, Mookata.
Now Mu Kata originated in Thailand and it's a Southeast Asian cooking method.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you guys today from the beginning to the end. Before we make the fire, I think we must go to the shop quickly, go and get all the ingredients. This is only in South Africa, where you're on your way to the shop and then a herd of cows are crossing the road. Okay, so here we are with the farm there in the distance, but we are here to buy some vegetables. Morning.
How are you? How are you? I am good, my man. Enjoy, my man. Enjoy,
You too. Welcome to Evergreen, and if you stay in the Kempton Park area, please come and support them. Just to give you guys some perspective here.
This is Thailand. It's looking good. Which one look face? Look good. For the suki.
Suki or Mu Kata?
Oh, sorry, Mookata. Not too big. It look okay.
Yeah, this one is fine.
That Mookata, not too big. Yeah, let's just check this.
You want to take quick?
Yeah.
This is a cheese griller sausage. Looking for soup. I think I found her. Yep, that's a.
Okay, let's just take one.
Pork. Maybe we can use this one.
I'm gonna take this one.
And here we've got sauce hammer.
Huge.
It's actually very quiet here, but we are early in the morning because this place can get very busy. Let's go get some dessert, maybe some ice cream.
Big one.
No, this is caramel, chocolate, caramel and vanilla.
Oh, yummy. Okay, let's take this.
Let's take this one. It's a nice and big one.
You sure that one's sweet?
Yeah. So there's 40 tolls here. Let's go here.
This is how we cook.
bye.
Okay. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you to Evergreen. Sauce.
Soy sauce. And just some canola.
Some spices.
And then mix it. And
Add some milk.
make a meat sauce.
Add some sesame seeds. Chicken breasts.
Yeah.
And you do the same, cut it into thin
Yeah.
slices and strips.
This oyster sauce and soy sauce. And
Some of the spices.
just like a canola. No. Oh, sorry. And then you just mix.
And then you also add some sesame seeds.
Yeah, sesame seeds. And then like I'm just gonna make a chili.
Chili sauce.
Yeah, chili sauce.
So now we are doing the bacon.
Leave them open. Okay.
So you're cleaning the squid now.
Yep. Oyster sauce,
Oyster sauce,
soy sauce,
soya sauce,
and so this.
you add also a little bit of sesame seeds.
Yeah.
So here's the vegetables for the Mookata. So firstly we have Chinese cabbage.
Yeah.
Second we have celery.
Yeah.
And next in line is the baby corn. Okay, so next in line here is the
Mushroom.
mushroom. So you're cleaning the prawns now.
So
Are you also adding some spices and
no, this one I just
keep it like that fresh?
yeah, right.
Okay, so you're taking the shell off.
Yes. We need to clean shell.
And that's the last one.
That's the last one. Okay.
Okay, so what is this?
Noodle.
Noodles.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we can ask for wunsen.
It's like a glass noodle or what?
Glass noodle.
Okay.
I'm just gonna steam quick. Steam little bit.
So we have all the vegetables and noodles on this side. We have the prawns, the squid, bacon, chicken and beef. So everything is ready on this side.
Okay.
The only thing left is the chili sauce. So this is just some soup for the Mookata.
Yeah. Okay.
So now we start with the chili sauce.
Yeah,
So what do we have here?
Coriander root.
Coriander roots. So next is the garlic.
Must be fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
Pickled garlic.
pickled garlic.
You can go buy any Chinese shop.
Then the most important part of the chili sauce are the red and green chilies. Okay, so
This is garlic.
first is the garlic.
Pickled garlic.
Pickled garlic.
Yeah. Coriander root. Coriander.
Coriander root.
Yeah.
Our
Chili.
favorite, green and red chilies.
Yeah.
Then chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
Just some chili sauce, okay?
Tomato sauce.
And then some tomato sauce.
And some sugar. You can use
Sugar.
white or brown, up to you. Some little canola.
Knorr.
Yeah, canola. Little bit. And sesame oil.
Knorr spice and then sesame seed oil.
Yeah, sesame oil. Add water.
Add water.
So just you can add vinegar.
If you want to.
Yeah, if you want to.
Okay, then lastly we add salt, a little bit of salt.
Sesame
Sesame seed. And just stir it. And here we have the end product with some coriander leaves on top. So we're back from the shop now. Soup cut all the ingredients, all the vegetables, meat and everything is ready now. So now we're going to start the Mookata. So you will see there's two parts. We need to make a fire on this side, which we bought some kits for that. And then also just some fire lighters just to start it up with. So let's start the fire first. Let's leave that there.
So today we family time.
Yeah, and we do it Thai style. We're in South Africa, but we do this Mookata Thai style, as you guys can see. Okay, we've got fire going now. While we are waiting for the fire, Sue made this lovely samosas and spring rolls for us. I guess this is a starter. There we go, I've got my beer. We've got samosas and spring rolls as starters, and the fire is going. So before we start with the Mookata, just two things quickly. we just want to say thank you to Evergreen Kempton Park. Thank you so much. Everything is fresh and we really appreciate it. Thank you for allowing us to record a part of our video on your premises. Then also Evergreen Kempton Park, please go and support them. They have a huge factory in Kempton Park. We'll link it in the description below. We are not sponsored by Evergreen Kempton Park.
Why not stick?
Is that some of the soup?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get this baby on the road.
Why not hot yet?
It's not as hot, but it's getting there.
Yeah, getting here. Please slowly.
But we have time. Chicken, prawns, split.
Now we can eat now. It's already.
Already done.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. So the rest for me.
No. Thank you. Ah, there we go. And look who joined us.
Leo.
So as we sit here and still enjoying the Mookata, we're gonna leave you guys now. We'll see you a bit later. Okay, so this is our lovely watermelon. This thing is actually heavy.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice.
Late.
Yeah, look at the color.
This is a half year go get na give Nala.
Let's go and give her. Nala! Kijk eens zo, wat is hier? Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, Nala, bye bye. Enjoy. Nala, say thank you.
Okay.
As it started to rain now. Nice rain, nice watermelon. Thank you everyone for joining us again today. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. From us here at Rapid Travel. Till we see you next time, this is a wrap. There is always time for ice cream.